Hey everyone, Dave Halleck here in the CX-5 with a instrumentation cluster quick video to show you a couple little things here. Gonna flip this around. All right, so I'm sitting in the 2025 CX-5 Signature in the showroom, which has the digital dash readout. This will be pertaining mostly to GT to Signature trim levels, roughly 2021 to 2025. So in your instrumentation, you've got the info button here, which when you press it, it will change what's showing up in the center of your cluster. So it'll show you when your service is due, a compass, and your current mileage remaining on the gas, which correspond with the number over on the side there, for distance, and then it'll show you your trip A and trip B. Now if you press and hold the info for a couple seconds, that'll reset it. So if you like to keep track of your mileage and do that sort of thing, that's how you do that. The little stick up on the top corner, if you give it a quick press, that'll bounce you between miles and kilometers. And when you go to miles, it will, and you change the info setting here. I'm just going to go back to the main one here. When you click it, it'll show you the kilometers on the inside round. But when you have the other stuff showing, it'll just show the big miles. So that's kind of handy if you travel down south. Now another thing that'll happen is your gauges on the side. This one here will show you your current consumption, and the other one will show you the range on the gas, the current mileage on the car, and your outside temperature. Now to change these, or sometimes maybe they've disappeared on you, if you press and hold the stick, 1, 2, 3, it'll change it. 1, 2, 3, it'll make it disappear. 1, 2, 3, back it comes again. So you can customize those things a little bit. If I turn on the headlights, and when the headlights are on, you're going to see the little green bug down there. When your headlights are on, if you twist the dial, that goes to dimmer, and that's going to dim your gauges as you twist it. It's also going to dim your screen. So I encourage you to leave it one notch down for when the headlights turn on, so that way when you're driving around it's not. So I look forward to more questions that anybody happens to have on their Canadian version CX-5s or any other Mazda vehicles. We'll try to do a video to help you out and make your ownership experience that much better. I'm Dave Halleck right here in the showroom at Gerry Mazda in the Waverley Auto Mall. Look forward to seeing you.